Hello, welcome to another session of OCD. Welcome to my workshop. So today I've got my daughter's 1 series in. It's been 6 months since I put any protection on it, so it's time to put a little bit of TLC on it again. So what I'm going to do is something that I haven't done for a very long time, and I'm going to use some Autoglym Super Resin polish, and I'm going to follow that up with Autoglym Extra Gloss Protection. So we put that on, that'll help. It's got fillers in, so it'll help to cover some of the swirls up, and then this will go over the top and protect it. Now I just don't remember last time I used these products, and they've been on the shelf for an awful long time, but it's about time you get the good stuff down and try it again. Nothing wrong with a bit of Autoglym. So let's go and give the car a little bit of TLC, shall we? Okay, so we're gonna start off with Autoglym Super Resin polish, and I'm guessing lots of you would have used this before or heard of it, and it's a really good product. It's old technology. This must be at least 5 years old. It's sat on the shelf at least that long, I would think. But giving it a good shake, and we'll see what it's like. Now this has got fillers in it, so all the minor swirls, not all of them, but a lot of the minor swirls on the car. And this is a car that has got many swirls. It's like an ice skating rink, but this will cover a lot of those up on a temporary basis, and then we use the other Autoglym product afterwards. We go over it, and that'll seal it. Right, so let's stop talking, Martin. So got a little bit of a foam pad, and you just put it on. Try not to get it onto rubber, because it will not mark, but you'll leave white residue behind, so try not to get it on the rubber. But if you do get it on, don't worry. What I normally use is glass cleaner to get it off. So just put it all over. Spreads reasonably well, and just let it dry off. You don't see a lot of people use Autoglym on YouTube so much nowadays. I suppose it's a lot of people think it's unfashionable. I don't know why. I don't know how anything can be fashionable or unfashionable, but SiO2 is obviously the product that everybody is looking at the moment. I just think it's a shame, because this is a product that you can easily get off the shelf at Halfords. It's the sort of product that a lot of people, your general people that just want to clean their car once every now and again, and it's a product that they would use. I just think it needs a little bit of airtime. Let me do the other door as well. Quite a nice product to use. It's not too fussy, doesn't smell. I think the thing that I noticed with this is instant shine. The moment your buffing cloth goes over it, the polish comes off very easily, no problem at all, and instant shine. Slick, really understated, under publicised product in my opinion. Not that that's much use. And you can see, hopefully you can see for yourself, it brings this door to life. Yeah, what do you reckon? Looking good? Let's have a look at the front door and the front wing, shall we? As I said, it comes off so easy, no real effort. No fuss, really nice product. I just thought, it's been sitting on the shelf for years, it needs to come off and have a day out. Right, well there's only so much that you can see. I'm going to go around to the rest of the car now with this, and then we'll get the extra gloss protection out and go over that and seal that in, and then that will, by putting the extra gloss protection on, that will give this a little bit longer longevity, because they're not great products as far as longevity is concerned. This maybe lasts a month or so, but with that gloss on it I reckon it should last a little bit longer. So I'm going to go around now and finish the car off, and then I'll catch you when I get the gloss out. Okay, so now we're using Autoglym extra gloss protection, and this is a sealant. What it takes is about 30 minutes. You put it on the car and leave it for about 30 minutes, which is ideal, because now what you can do is go around the whole car and putting it on, and then you go around the whole car and take it off. So it's quite a thin product. And you put it on like you would put any sealant or wax on. It spreads quite well. You don't need an awful lot of it, but it does, when you first put it on, it does appear quite wet, and that's because you need to leave it to dry for 30 minutes. Well, you can hear it squeaking. You might think it's a mouse, but it's not, it's this. Quite a pleasant product to put on, actually, because it goes on so easy. There's no effort at all. It's very, very pleasant. Right, I'm gonna go over the rest of the car and then we'll buff that off together, shall we? Right, as you can see, it's dry. You can see the dried product. So let's get it off. Now this is a little bit more strenuous to get off than the polish, and it's a little bit dusty, as you can see. So that are the negatives. So you just need to know that going in. But look at that shine. Wow. Doesn't that look good? The answer is yes, Martin. Okay. I don't know why I'm asking you, really. You're only going to give me abuse if you tell me the answer. The negative is the dust, though. I have to say, you don't get that with today's products. But you know, this is an old product. It's old technology, but it still works. Now, like I said, it is a little bit more grabby to remove, but it's not too bad. It's not as though it's going to wear you out. Now look at that bonnet, you tell me how nice that looks. Beautiful. I mean, the bonnet's got issues. All I'm doing is cleaning it and putting some protection on it. I'm not solving all the problems on the bonnet. Doesn't that look nice? What do you reckon, guys? Right, let's get rid of the polish on the side of the car, shall we? And the beauty of this, of course, is pick it up from any health food store. No shipping. But you got to part with the dust. Right, so I think what I'll do is go along the rest of the car and then we can have a chat. Catch you in a minute. And there we go, a finished article. Doesn't that look good? You know, it does need a bit of paint correction. You know, it is a little bit like an ice rink on there, where people at the dealership have done their own form of cleaning, but that's really come up well. I'm really pleased with that. Okay guys, so there we go. I think you can agree with me that that looks absolutely lovely. Now, you know, like I said before, Autoglym Super Resin Polish and Autoglym Extra Gloss Protection, really good products. Yes, they're old technology. These must be, I don't know, 5-6 years old, I'm guessing. But as long as I think you keep them in good condition, keep them sealed and don't let them freeze or get too hot, I think they're fine, like most products. But I think they're an overlooked product. They're almost unfashionable on YouTube, and I don't know why, because these are good products. These are the sorts of products that, you know, the guy in the street pops into Halfords to buy. Surely they need to have a view of what these daily products are like, as well as some of the more exotic stuff that we all play with. So yeah, really pleased. Good products, good basic products, old technology, but you know, they still work. Yes, you get a bit of dust with them, but you know, so what, no big deal. Really pleased with it. So hope that's of some use to you, and if you've got a couple of old bottles of Autoglym on the shelf, dust them off, get them down, give them a try, save you some money. So there we go guys, until next time, you guys take care, bye bye.